Hey folks, welcome back for another adventure. So here we have it. We have snow and we have the, what is this thing? Ski-Doo? Yeah, there it is. Ski-Doo Formula STX, and it's got the 583 in it. Now, I've never had to start this thing in the winter, so I guess I'm going to find out how easy it is. And let's get right to it. This is cold. This is just as cold as it gets. So I guess you give it like 1, 2, 3 of those, and you turn the key on just like that. And I think that's all I need to do. Other than, oh, and by the way, for anybody who cares, you kind of pick a shady spot, see how much snow we got. So, I don't know if you guys could see that. It's about 5 inches, or as I always tell my wife, just under a foot. So, there we are. Hopefully, with the camera set up here. I don't know, could you see the snow machine? I think you guys could see it. Yeah. Let's see if this rig starts. Oh man. This sweatshirt isn't going to be on me for long. I might have to hire somebody to pull this string. I don't know, do you give it some gas? Guess we'll find out. It just makes it harder to pull. Let's give it a... I don't know, do you pull that out? Is that like the choke? Yeah, I'm going to have to hire somebody to start this rig. I don't think Harvey's strong enough to start this thing. All right, I give up. For those of you who own these things, do me a favor. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, other than being almost 60 years old and not quite strong enough to pull these things over. It started easy enough in the warm weather. Right, you turn this that way to be on, and this should be popped up. Other than pulling the string, I think I got it all down. Let's give it another couple of tugs. If I run out of memory, sorry about that. try not to fall over in the snow. Face down. So, if this were a 4-stroke, at this point, I'd be giving it starting fluid. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Thanks for watching and your advice, commenting. Remember, feet down, heads up, and get out and play in the snow. Bye now.